Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, and this is, well, the severed head of Cornelius. Look, it's a pain to drag all of him around and hear him clomping around, so just do your little head hopper thing. It'll be great. Anyway, today we are bringing you My Robotic Pet, Tumbling Hedgehog by Thames and Cosmos. This would be one of our, I guess, not first. We've done we're very educational, but this is clearly a STEM-related project. So far, my favorite part is what ages this is appropriate for. 7+ with help, or 10+ by yourself. I'm going to say it's going to be needed to change to, well, a lot higher than that, plus with help. So I say we just, oh good God. Don't look at the back, it just makes it scarier. So let's just dig in and pray for the best. Oh, dear God. Oh, there's like actual tech pieces. I don't know how any of this works. This looks like some sort of death machine. I'm excited. Okay, is it done yet? The director's helping me do it, and by helping, meaning he's probably going to be doing most of it while I sit back and watch. Do you know how I never bother with directions? I think this time I'm going to have to, but it's 40 bloody pages. I'm done. But what's kind of cool is it's also a comic book, so they trick you. Maybe that's how I'll get this done, by thinking I'm reading a comic book, and by the end of it, I'll have a robot hedgehog. It's almost like a hedgehog. Each gear kind of is like if it's a hedgehog on its side when it's spinning. Another half hour in and I'm already on the floor looking for the pieces we dropped. Oh, and now we're taking a break to go to the hardware store because it didn't come with a itty bitty tiny microscopic screwdriver. Which, if oh, you want to turn left. The director's driving. I'm not, I swear. Look, see, hands free. It's great. These hands are for tiny screwdrivers on the buy. Alright, well, we're blinking. We got a little wheel turning. Jesus. Oh my God, we have tiny feet. Gotta go faster. Oh my God, he has little toes. We may not have a hedgehog, but at least we have a catapult. Oh, he even comes with his own little chainsaw. So Cornelius, what do you think? Are you jealous that we're spending all this time, hours upon hours, building a body for someone that's not you? Yeah, I bet. I was promised a hedgehog, but so far I just have some sort of night terror beast. They're little like T-Rex arms. Alright, so it looks like this side is done. And oh, what joy. We get to do it all over again on the other side. Gears are fun. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to pop off. Oops. Testing 1, 2. Ah! Holy Jesus. This girl doesn't even have the right tools. Should be a tiny little screwdriver. And now for the, what they're calling the shell, but it's not a shell. It's a bag full of quills. And, are you in? No. Ow! We have a hedgehog! Oh! How do you get him to turn into a ball? Oh, it goes backwards. Up! Ah! Alright, let's move this onto the carpet before we break things. Okay, bye! You serious? I turned him around. What the? Is it getting ready to attack? Like... Oh! I think we did something wrong. So he's given up on moving and just sits there and screams.
What color is his eyes glowing?
Orange, slightly demonic. Ah! Do a spin dash. Oh no, I just did a shimmy again. Oh, he's rearing up to attack. Ow!
Yeah, now Now he's in a different mode.
Mode? He just curled up and died. I think my hedgehog's broken. Hello? Sir? Do you need assistance? You've rolled up and you can't get up. I wonder if Dr. Robotnik had this much trouble building Metal Sonic. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah! So, overall, my tumbling pet hedgehog, not so much. Overall, this was actually really fun. I honestly didn't think I'd enjoy it as much as I did. I'm not usually like a model or building kind of guy. As you've seen from the show, I like to just pull things out of a mystery container of some sort, and it was my toy. This was a lot of work, but it was fun. Now, as for how it works, I really can't judge that because there's a lot of tiny little parts. And I can only assume there's a 50-50 shot of is this just how it works versus it works a lot better. I just couldn't figure out how to do it correctly. Even with it not completely tumbling, the fact that, I mean, you get a cool little toy if you want to just display it. And the fact that okay, this is my turn to talk, my turn. The fact that you can say you built this from its core, and end up with a cool toy, pretty awesome. But overall, pretty worth it. It's slightly irritating, just like me, because putting this thing together for so long. Thank you. Ow! Literally just got part of my finger stuck in a gear, and I think you just witnessed it trying to eat me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More ravenous cyborg creatures that eventually turn on their owners. Do I need a band-aid? You'd left a mark. Safety precaution too. Anyway, thanks so much, and we will see you next week. Bye! And now presenting my pet hedgehog. Really cool looking, like, Mecha Hedgehog. If only he did more than sat there and twerked. But fun.